Hey guys, welcome to another Binance sales video. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways in which you can withdraw cryptocurrency or your money from Binance. I bet you will love the third one, and this might probably be your first time of hearing about it. Since government has banned banks from facilitating the transaction of cryptocurrency in Nigeria, a lot of new crypto investors don't know how to withdraw their money or their profits, thereby keeping them away from the crypto market. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can withdraw your cryptocurrency from your exchange. I will also tell you in which situation you should employ their usage. So therefore, I will advise you to watch this video through. If you are new to this channel, I am Ade from TROVE, and on this channel, I make tutorial videos on trading and investing apps. I teach trading strategies and also give market analysis on stocks and cryptocurrencies, not leaving out the NFTs. All to help you gradually grow and make consistent income. If all this interests you, consider hitting the like button and also hit the subscribe button. I will leave all useful links down in the description so that you can learn more, and also you can sign up and as well get reward while signing up. To get started, first method I'm going to show you is the common one, which is P2P. P2P, peer-to-peer. By clicking on this P2P above here. Here in P2P trading, we are on the buy USDT side. So because we are selling, we are withdrawing profit, or we are taking money out of the system, we are going to click on sell under USDT. Now we want to sell about 120 USDT, right? So, and people that are here, looking at what they have to offer down here. In my previous video on how to deposit and avoid scammers, I showed you some tips you should watch out for. So if you have not watched that video, there is a link above you can click on to watch that video, or there will be a link in the description. Now, we want to sell 120 USDT. I will look for buyers that can buy up to 120 USDT. So after searching through, and you cannot find those you can sell to. Why? Because you've considered their transaction rates and also how many trades they've completed and also their limits. You will click on filter here to filter my buyers. Bank transfer, any region. So I have filtered my buyers. Now I will just click on these. I'll click on sell. Now you can see below insufficient balance. Please deposit more funds. So I'll click on transfer down here. Then I'll move funds from my spot account to my funding account. I will input the 120 I want to sell. I'll click on confirm transfer. Now that we've moved 120, make sure you confirm your account details. Yeah. Then we click on sell with 0 fee. Make sure you read the terms below here. Then click on sell 0 fee. So you can see that this buyer will send money to my account within this 5 minutes or to 15 minutes. So let's wait for him to sell the money to my account before I release the coin. The buyer has confirmed that he has made the payment from what I am seeing here. So I'm going to log into my bank and confirm if this money has been deposited into my account before I click on receive payment. Please, if you have not received the payment or the payment is still pending, please do not click on receive payment. But in my own case, I have received the payment and I'll click on payment received. So this is the last warning. I will click on I have received the correct amount, and I'll click on confirm. I'll be taken to this place where I'm going to input code. So that is how to withdraw coin from your wallet. It is suitable if you want to withdraw in fiat currency so that you can spend or pay your bills or to hold some cash with you. This is the second method. I'm clicking on your wallet here. And a lot of exchangers allow you to withdraw in cryptocurrencies, aside from some stock brokers and some forex brokers that doesn't allow you to withdraw in cryptocurrencies. To start with, make sure you have that coin you want to withdraw in your account, and I'm going to be using Litecoin for this example. This is because I love to withdraw in cryptocurrencies that have low transaction fee. For example, XLM, LTC, which is Litecoin, and Dash. Those are the coins I love to withdraw in. Alright, now for this example, I have LTC here, and let me just click on LTC. You will click on withdraw. Now you can see that you can withdraw to another Binance account by using their phone number, their email address. But now I want to withdraw into another cryptocurrency account. So I'll click on send via crypto network. After copying the address, I will long press this first space up here where address is written. Then I'll paste the address. Please make sure you copy the address completely or you scan the address. And something interesting about Binance is that instead of me looking for which network will I be using, you can see that Litecoin is already listed as the crypto network that will be used to transfer this cryptocurrency. Alright, how much did I want to withdraw from my Lite account? You can see the lowest is 0.002 in which I can withdraw. I am not interested in actually sending Litecoin to any of my account, but for this tutorial alone, it's 0.15 Litecoin. Now, I will select which account that have Litecoin. Alright, then down here, you will see the amount of Litecoin that the account will receive, and you will see the network fee down here. After you've cross-checked all this information, you cross-check your address, you cross-check the network, because if you send it to another network, despite the address is correct, you will lose your cryptocurrency. So make sure your network is correct, and in this case, you can say Binance automatically suggested the network. So for it to be easier for you, make use of network that Binance can easily recognize and suggest the network for you, because if you are in doubt of the network, please don't send that coin. Now after all this is correct, I'll click on withdrawal. I've confirmed all this information and I ensure they are correct. I'll click on confirm. I have to verify my phone number and my email so as to avoid transactions that you are not aware of. Send code. Now I've input all those codes. Then I'll click on submit. My request has been submitted. Please note that this transaction is not going to be instant. It's going to take some few minutes for this transaction to go through. And when this transaction goes through, Binance will alert you through email, or you will see something like this. So, here is the confirmation that I have successfully withdrawn 0.014 from my Binance account. And here is the confirmation that Coinbase received 0.014 deposit. This is good for you if you want to pay someone in cryptocurrency. Instead of you withdrawing and depositing in that person's account, you can just to send cryptocurrency to that person, and the person can then convert it to USDT, to dollar equivalent. So I've shown you the first method and I've shown you the second method. This is the third method, and this is similar to the second method. This is more suitable for those that are trading cryptocurrency along with FX, or that is Forex, or trading the crypto market along with the stock market too. The first thing you're going to do here is to go to your first account you are using to trade that allows you to deposit in cryptocurrencies, or go to your stock accounts that trade cryptos and allows you to deposit crypto. For this example, I'm going to be making use of PASSFOLIO, which is my stockbroker. PASSFOLIO allows you to trade stock market and as well trade the cryptocurrency market, which makes it easier for you to move money from crypto and convert to stock, and from stock to crypto. And also you can as well earn reward as up to $100 if you are willing to sign up with this broker. Please use the links in the description below to sign up with both PASSFOLIO and Binance if you don't have an account yet. Now let's continue. As I have said earlier, this process of the third run is similar to the process of the second one. So therefore, I will speed up this video a bit. I classify it as the third run because instead of you withdrawing to another exchange or to another crypto wallet, you can send it to another broker where you can use it to buy another class of assets like stock, commodity, or foreign currencies. Should in case there is panic in the crypto market, this can be a safe place. That is, while everyone is withdrawing their stable coin, which can cause the pegging like we've seen in UST. It's also useful when you are scared of using the P2P, that is peer-to-peer, for withdrawing because you are afraid of the scammers. You can as well send the money to your stock account, then convert it to USD where you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. I believe you've gained value from this video. If you do, please let me know by hitting the like button, and by doing this you are pushing this video to those people that need content like this. Join our Telegram channel for quick updates on stocks and cryptocurrencies, and sometimes free trade alerts. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ping the notification bell so you can get to see more of my content whenever I upload new video. Click on the video you are seeing on your screen right now so that you can learn more about Binance and also learn more about other trading and investing app. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.